About the webinar, will you please destroy and uncreate all of that?
Yes.
Right and wrong, good and bad, pop and pod, all nine shorts, boys and beyonds. So let's make it interactive. Okay?
Yeah.
Keep your mic on and you can prompt me whenever
That.
and ask questions. Okay?
That.
So what does money mean to you?
Struggle is coming up.
What does having money mean to you?
Burden.
What does not having money mean to you?
Lack.
Okay. So what secret agenda with lack do you have that keeps you from the abundance and wealth you could truly have? Everything that is times a godzillion, will you please destroy and create it all?
Yes.
Right and wrong, good, bad, pop and pod, all nine shorts, boys and beyonds. What generative energy, space, and consciousness can you and your body be that will allow you to be the energy, space, and consciousness of unlimited receiving for all eternity? Everything that doesn't allow that times a godzillion, will you please destroy and create it all?
Yes.
Right and wrong, good and bad, pop and pod, all nine shorts, boys and beyonds. So, if there is anything in your life that is not working as per what you desire it to be, that will create blockages anywhere and everywhere in your life. And why is that? Because that creates a wall of judgment. And when you create a wall, it stops everything.
Yeah.
Okay. Which includes money, which includes wealth, which includes abundance. Now, there were times when there was no money. And were you there in those times? Truth?
No. Tight, yes, but not no money.
Huh?
Things are tight, but not. I've not been in a situation where there was no money.
No. My question is, there were times, centuries back, when money as a concept was non-existent. What is money for? Money is for transaction. It is for trade.
Yeah.
I have this. Give me so much, I'll give you this. There were times when this was not there. It was, I have this. What do you have? Okay, let's exchange. Okay. And even before that, whatever anybody had was that person's. Period. If he wished to share, he would share. There was not even barter. So money is just a concept. So what have you made so vital, valuable, and real of defining money that keeps you from a life of ease, joy, and glory? Everything that is times about zillion, will you please destroy and create it all?
Yes.
Right and wrong, good and bad, pop and pod, all nine shorts, boys and beyonds. So, what does money mean to you now in this reality? What is your money reality? Everything that brings up, will you please destroy and create it all?
Yes.
Right and wrong, good and bad, pop and pod, all nine shorts, boys and beyonds. Now, when a conversation of money comes up, what does it bring in for you? What brings up for you?
stress, or there's like a contraction.
Contraction. So and where else do you get the contraction? When there's another conversation and you got a contraction. When is that?
Anything to do with me, which is not where I'm not comfortable, or where I've maybe not succeeded,
Yeah.
or things like that.
Yeah. So comfortable is where you are familiar with something. So therefore there is comfort. So everywhere you have made lack and comfortable, familiar, will you please destroy and create it all?
Yes.
Right and wrong, good and bad, talking about all nine, shorts, boys and beyonds. Everywhere you have made money constraint, familiar and comfortable, will you please revoke, recant, rescind, reclaim, announce, denounce, destroy, and uncreate all of that throughout life, eight dimensions and realities?
Yes.
Right and wrong, good and bad, talking about all nine, shorts, boys and beyonds. And everywhere you have made abundance, wealth, and ease as unfamiliar and uncomfortable. Will you please revoke, recant, rescind, reclaim, denounce, destroy, and create all of that?
Yes.
Right and wrong, good and bad, talking about all nine, shorts, boys, and beyonds. Now, where all in your life do you feel you are not enough?
Quite a few places.
Hmm?
Quite a few
You're
places.
not good enough. You're not capable enough. You're not smart enough. You're not knowledgeable enough. You're not talented enough. You're not lovable enough. You're not confident enough.
From childhood.
So everywhere you have done that. And everything that brings up for you, will you please revoke, recant, rescind, reclaim, denounce, destroy, and create all of that?
Yes.
Right and wrong, good and bad, talking about all nine, shorts, boys, and beyonds. Now, in your childhood, I won't say childhood, even when you were in your mother's womb, did you feel unwanted, uninvited? Truth.
Maybe. Yes.
So, have you made that your comfort level? Truth.
Yes.
So, everywhere you have judged you, uninvited you, rejected you, and refused to receive you. Will you please revoke, recant, rescind, reclaim, denounce, destroy, and create all of that?
Yes.
Right and wrong, good and bad, talking about all nine, shorts, boys, and beyonds. Are you the eldest?
I'm the only child.
Huh?
Only child.
You are the only child. Okay. And were your parents wanting to have a male child?
They wanted another one, but not a male. Not necessarily. Yeah.
Not necessarily. No, but when you were born at that point of time,
They had one before me and one after me. Which
huh?
they did try before and after, but didn't materialize.
Yeah.
Yeah. They did want a second.
No. My question is, when you were born, were
Yeah.
they wanting a male child at that time?
I don't think they wanted a male child specifically.
Okay.
Yeah. But they did want another one.
Okay. So, did that create some competition or rejection or your failure in your life? Truth?
Yeah, because there were a lot of expectations from being
Mhm.
the only one.
So you
So it's
see,
like, you put all your eggs into one basket and then you.
excitation is a beyond moment. Always. You know, excitation brings you to that. So everywhere you have judged and concluded and made it your point of view, which you have made your reality, that you are no good, you are not enough, you are not capable enough, you are not lovable enough. Will you please destroy and uncreate all of that?
Yes.
Right and wrong, good, bad, PowerPoint, all nine shorts, boys and beyonds. You see, if you hate you hate money too.
Yeah.
If you hate money because you said it brings up a kind of a constraint, then you hate you. Both are true.
Yeah.
So everywhere you are hating money. Will you please revoke, recant, rescind, reclaim, denounce, destroy, and create all of that?
Yes.
Right and wrong, good and bad, top and pod, all nine shorts, boys and beyonds. You see, hate, need, um,
One.
not loving, not enough, they have similar energies. They are similar energies, and that is what creates the constraint in your life. Now, so what will it take for you to acknowledge, perceive, no, be, receive, and acknowledge the infinite being that you truly be? And everything that doesn't allow that times about zillion, will you please destroy and create it all?
Yes.
Right and wrong, good, bad, pocket, pod, all nine shorts, boys and beyonds. Every time you judge you, every time you have a point of view about you, you are refusing ease and abundance in your life. So, are you the worst critic of yourself? Truth.
Yes.
So, what will it take for you to stop being a critic and start loving you?
Blank.
Can you go in front of the mirror and look straight into your eyes? Can you do that?
Yeah.
Can you go in front of the mirror naked and
There'll
just
be judgments. Yeah.
just feel your body and thank your body for what it is
Yeah.
and not judge it? And if you have a judgment of any part of your body, continuously do interesting point of view, I have this point of view, interesting point of view, I have this point of view, till that judgment about that body part goes away. Oh, my nose is too broad. Oh, my eyebrows are so thick. Whatever. Do that. Because you are here on this planet only because you have a body.
Correct.
And if you don't have a body, you're not on the planet. And where do you need money? When you are on the planet. Okay?
Yeah.
So when you are here and you are loving each and every part of you, your being, your body, then you are inviting anything and everything in your life. And the universe is willing to gift all of that abundance to you. Every time you judge you, negate you, rather than interesting point of view, I had that point of view. Okay, it doesn't work. I will change it now. Have you done foundation?
No,
Okay.
I've not done bars either.
Huh?
I've not done bars, no foundation.
Oh, you haven't, but
I've
okay.
not done anything.
But you have attended a lot of seminars.
A lot of webinars, yes.
Yeah. So I don't have to explain the clearing statement to you.
No, actually, I've been also doing some clearing statement for others. So just some information has been coming in.
Huh.
Actually, I did Akashic Records in March, which is when
Okay.
so I did that course. This was before the lockdown.
Okay.
And then I had some experience with entities, which I had no idea what it is. And when I started questioning and I asked my teacher, and then I got in touch with Smriti,
Smriti who?
Shivdasani.
Smriti?
Shivdasani.
Shivdasani. Okay.
Yeah.
So, Nishida, where are you located?
I'm in Bombay.
Oh, I am also in Bombay. Okay.
Okay.
All right. Okay.
Yeah.
So you haven't as yet done bars.
I'm not done. Actually, so as I started doing this, she told me that these are the few book readings and these are the few classes.
Huh.
And she said, whatever you can communicate the way you are. And then slowly, I did this Talk to the Animals book with Sonal Keswani. So I found few clearings from there. So all the information somehow has come up. So I've actually started clearing entities. I'm talking.
Huh.
So that's how access came in. So I said, okay, I'd really like to do this course as well, like do foundation and do bars. So it's like, things are sort of, yeah.
No, but have you done the Talk to the Entities?
No, because I've not done my bars. I just got the book. So I read Beings of Light.
Okay, you have read Shannon's book.
Yeah, I read both. I read Beings of Light and Talk to the Entity.
Okay, all right. Great.
So I said in the meantime, I think I'll read something.
Wow. Okay, great.
And talk to the animals.
So did you attend my last webinar?
I saw one.
Entities and money and entities?
I think in May I heard part of it for sure. Yeah.
Okay. All right. Okay. So coming back therefore, let me give you some very basic tools first. Okay. So first I would say is meaning process. The first thing that I asked you, what does money mean to you? What does lack of money mean to you? Then, what do I hate about money? What do I love about hating money? Be with these questions. Don't look for answers. Be with these questions. You will get an awareness.
Okay.
Once you get the awareness, then you can work upon it and change it. Okay. Because money is a very, very out of this reality issue. And it needs to be worked upon if you wish to change. And as I mentioned in my so many classes, if you have to find out what is your money reality. So what is my money reality is another question you should be asking. What's my money reality? After almost 3 to 4 years when I was in Access, then one fine morning when I was in this question, I realized that money only meant joy for me. Whenever I was joyful, I had absolutely no issue about money whatsoever. And I had for whatever I wanted. And every time when I shifted from joy to, being whatever, money became an issue. if money is not the issue, would you do whatever, A, B, C, D, X, Y, Z?
Yeah.
Whenever we make money the issue, that's when money goes away. And even if you have, you will calculate. इसके लिए ये. You know, I remember my father, he got a raise of 15 rupees. You know, I'm talking about 50s. He got a raise of 15 rupees in his salary. And the first thing when he came home, he told his mother, my grandmother, increase expenditure, I have got an increment of 15 rupees. But this reality, especially now, what are people talking about?
It shows that.
Cut down your expenses. Rather than, how can I increase my income?
Yeah.
What can I choose that I haven't chosen till date that will change my financial reality? What can I do different that will change my money situation? What am I refusing that if I receive will change my money reality? And everything that brings up for you, will you please destroy and create it all?
Yes.
Right and wrong, good and bad, pocket board, all nine shorts, boys and beyond. What using to create the need you are choosing?
It went blank. I couldn't hear the question.
What abundance are you refusing to create the need you are choosing? Everything that is time for God, will you please destroy and create it all?
Yes.
Right and wrong, good and bad, pocket pod, all nine shorts, boys and beyonds. Please note this down and run this at least for 30 days, if not 60, or maybe 90. What abundance are you refusing to create the need you are choosing? What secret agenda with lack do you have that keeps you from having money? Everything that is time so God, Zillion, will you please destroy and create it all?
Yes.
Right and wrong, good and bad, pocket pod, all nine shorts, boys and beyond. You see, what you have, you don't need. Mr. Ambani does not think of money when he is going on a holiday. The questions he probably would be asking, should we go to Bahamas or should we go to Mauritius? Should we go by a commercial airline or should we go by our own jet? You know, where should we stay? Should we take up a villa or should we go to a resort? You know, those are the questions he would ask because money is not the issue for him.
Yeah.
So what will it take for you to also have that money reality? And everything that doesn't allow that times about zillion rupees, destroy and create it all.
Yes.
Right and wrong, good and bad, pocket pod, all nine shorts, boys and beyonds. If you are always, you know, looking at any issue from a money point of view, then money is an issue. Money is a monster which needs to be tamed. So what energy space I think I have a clearing for this. Dane had given me long time back. Let me see if I can find it. Yeah. What creation of money as the mystical beast beyond capture with reason and justification are you absolutely, totally, eternally, irrevocably, infinitely, and utterly choosing that you truly should be refusing? That if you would refuse it, would change all realities and non-realities and manifest as the generation of indefinite life and infinite generative energy, space, and consciousness of everything in the entire universe contributing to you. Everything that is, will you please revoke, recant, rescind, claim, denounce, destroy, and create all of that?
Yeah.
Right and wrong, good, bad, pocket, pod, all nine, shorts, poison, beyonds. Let me repeat it once again. What creation of money as the mystical beast beyond capture with reason and justification are you absolutely, totally, eternally, irrevocably, infinitely, and utterly choosing that you truly should be refusing? That if you would refuse it, would change all realities and non-realities and manifest as the generation of indefinite life and infinite generative energy, space, and consciousness of everything in the entire universe contributing to you. Everything that is, will you please revoke, recant, rescind, reclaim, denounce, destroy, and create all of that?
Yes.
Right and wrong, good, bad, pocket, pot, online, shorts, poison, beyonds. Sorry, you had a question and I stopped you.
No.
Okay. So, again, the simple tools. What can I do, have, create, or generate today that would make and create way too much money in my life? Okay?
Yeah.
So, simple questions which you can use in your daily life. What secret agenda with lack do you have? What secret agenda with struggle do you have? What secret agenda with refusing ease do you have that keeps you from having money and wealth as your reality? Everything that brings up, will you please destroy and create it all?
Yes.
Right and wrong, good and bad, pocket, pot, all nine, shorts, boys, and beyond. So, this money reality, who does it belong to? Is it yours?
No.
So, whose money reality are you validating?
I think family, parents, or
So,
people.
everywhere you are validating other people's realities, including your family. Will you please revoke, recant, rescind, reclaim, denounce, destroy, and create all of that?
Yes.
Right and wrong, good and bad, pocket, pot, all nine, shorts, boys, and beyonds. What have you made so vital, valuable, and real about other people's realities, including your family, that keeps you from having your own? Everything that is times about zillion, will you please destroy and create it all?
Yes.
Right and wrong, good and bad, pocket, pot, all nine, shorts, boys, and beyonds. Everywhere you have bought into other people's reality, especially financial reality. Will you please revoke, recant, reclaim, denounce, destroy, and create all of that?
Yes.
Right and wrong, good and bad, pocket, pot, all nine, shorts, boys, and beyonds. Happiness generates money. Happiness creates money. Happiness creates possibilities. So, for happiness, what do you have to be? And everything that doesn't allow that, will you please destroy and create it all?
Yes.
Right and wrong, good and bad, pocket, pot, all nine, shorts, boys, and beyonds. So, any questions you have?
Nothing right now.
Beg your pardon?
I can't think of anything.
Huh? Don't think. Whatever comes to your mind like this. Because you see, money is about receiving.
Yeah.
Everything is receiving. And what is receiving? Receiving is gifting and receiving without any point of view. It is not give and take. This reality is give and take.
Yeah.
I'll do this for you. What will you do for me? I have done this for you. What can you do for me? Rather than what can you be to contribute to the universe? Then the universe will also contribute to you, because you have no point of view of contributing to the universe. What if receiving was as easy as breathing? Is it an effort to breathe? No. So, can receiving be as easy as breathing?
Can.
It's effortless. But what do? We have created so many walls of judgment that receiving becomes actually a task. It's an Herculean task to receive. Even if somebody asks, "Hi, Nishita," and you feel, क्या मतलब है यार इसका? Why is this guy so kind and polite to me today?
Yeah.
While that person may be in just a great mood, and he would be just, flowing that kindness, that energy of kindness towards you, but you are unwilling to receive because you had a judgment.
True.
And you refuse receiving when you have all the judgments about you. Everything starts and ends with you. Nobody else. What you are, what Nishita is till date is a sum total of all of the choices that you have made till date.
Correct.
Now, what energy, space, and consciousness and choice can you be to change your financial reality beyond this reality for all eternity? Everything that doesn't allow that time to go zillion will be destroy and create it all.
Yes.
Right and wrong, good and bad, proper part, all nine souls, boys and beyond. It is just a choice. Are you willing to choose?
Yes.
The issue is, are you willing to choose? Are you, Truth?
Yes.
Immediately you got into the how to choose.
I'm just going with the flow.
Beg your pardon?
I'm just going with the flow.
Yeah.
Yeah.
So
Sometimes it's like you have information, then I get lost sometimes as to how to go about it. And then I have the questions, and it's more like I fall into a pattern sometimes.
you see, everywhere you get into the whys and the hows, you are looking at it from a finite point of view.
Yeah.
As an infinite being, you can perceive
Right.
everything. You know everything. You can be anything. And
Yes, I can start.
therefore you can receive everything.
Right.
So what energy, space, and consciousness can you and your body be that will allow you to be in a space of no judgment, especially of you, for all eternity? And everything that doesn't allow the times of Godillion will be destroyed and create it all.
Yes.
Right and wrong, good and bad, pocket pot, all nine shorts, boys and beyonds. So during this chaos, this pandemic, are you buying into people's point of view? अरे क्या होगा, अरे क्या नहीं होगा, हमारा बिजनेस बंद हो गया, धंधा बंद हो गया, कुछ नहीं हो रहा है, and blah 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 blah.
No.
There are so many people who are taking this as an opportunity.
Right.
I haven't heard of very many people who are upset with this. Large organizations, small businesses. As a matter of fact, a friend of mine has become a billionaire during this time. Literally a billionaire. Because his job is testing. So he has become a billionaire. And he was featured in not Fortune. There's another magazine. I'm forgetting the name. So he was featured there. So when it is all the choices that you have made, that's your life today. What can you choose different that you haven't chosen till date? That will change your financial reality. Ask these questions. What can I choose? What can I be? What can I do today to change my financial reality? Because what have you chosen has created this.
Yeah.
And if cognitively, if your mind could change your reality, it would have done it by now.
Right.
Because it has been going on in your mind for a long, long time. Yet it could not. Because mind doesn't have the ability, the capability, because mind is just a computer. Whatever you feed in is what will come out.
Yeah.
Data in, data out, garbage in, garbage out. And if your financial reality, if you're receiving is something that you have blocked, mind will not be able to change it. So these questions, so any area, wherever you have any issue, ask, what am I not perceiving? What am I not acknowledging that I know? What am I not being? That if I be, I will be able to receive from this, whatever it is. Okay?
Yeah.
So what else? Ask.
What is the reason of a particular?
I can keep on talking, about money.
And I
Or
can keep on listening.
not
I'm very
hours, but
happy
days
to
together.
hear whatever you have to say. What is the reason of falling into patterns? It's like it goes good for a while and then again it goes into some slump.
Comfort level. That's familiar to you. Okay? So, and therefore you keep on choosing what is familiar to you.
It's a conscious choice you make every day.
So are you willing to be uncomfortable? Are you willing to be in unfamiliar terrain? Were you persecuted for having money in any lifetime, Ruth?
Yes.
So everywhere, throughout lifetime dimensions and realities, where you were burnt alive, buried alive, killed, and persecuted for having money, and then you vowed never to have money, will you please revoke, recant, rescind, reclaim, renounce, denounce, destroy, and create all of your oaths, vows, swearing, fealties, committees, commitments, binding body contract that you have regarding this throughout life dimensions and realities?
Yes.
And all that has been coming into your life, lifetime after lifetime, through your DNA, through your cellular memory, right and wrong, good and bad, pocket pod, all nine shorts, boys and beyonds.
I have one question.
Yes,
Yeah,
yes, Vijay.
like say for example, if somebody took the money and they are yet to give back, what energy we should be to get that money back?
Sorry, if somebody took the money,
And they did not return back, and how to, what energy we should be to get that money back?
you have to be the killing energy. Are you willing to be?
Yes, killing energy.
Have you done foundation?
Yes, foundation done.
Okay. One thing, one thing you can do is to pull money, pull
Yeah,
energy,
energy
okay,
pull.
and send a trickle back.
Yes,
Give me my money back. That's one.
yes,
The other is now let's take a hypothetical situation
yes,
where you are going with your daughter on the road and somebody tries to abduct her. What will you do?
we'll fight to get it back.
Will you will you be willing to kill that person to prevent him from abducting your daughter?
Yes,
Yes. That is the killing energy. It is not necessary for you to kill somebody, but have that energy. Because if you have the killing energy, you can have the receiving energy too, the kind energy too. And for you to have abundance in your life, you have to have the 5 elements of intimacy with you. And what are those 5 elements?
have those gratitude.
Honor,
Yeah, honor,
trust,
trust.
allowance,
Yes,
vulnerability, and the fifth one,
gratitude.
gratitude. Do you have it for you? If you have it for you, you can have everything.
Yeah.
And when you have something, there's no need. There's no lack.
Maybe I have to intensify that killing energy more.
You see, money has to be treated like your lover. You have to seduce money. You have to be that energy of seduction. Now, you go out for a dinner with friends.
Yes.
Do you guys fight as to who will pay the bill?
Maybe sometime. Maybe sometime.
Yeah. So if somebody is willing to pay, can you be in gratitude and say, oh, thank you, wow, thank you very much,
Yes.
and receive that kindness rather than fight over it? Because that means you are refusing something. Somebody is gifting you and you are refusing it. For receiving, you have to look at nature.
Yes.
Nature is always in a state of true receiving.
Yes. What my point of view is like, uh, I'm ready to create money, but I don't have such killing energy to get back my money. That's the issue.
No,
Therefore, universe is gifting me the
that
money. Therefore, I'm happy with that.
no.
Yeah.
The day you gave the money,
Yes.
you had written it off.
Okay.
Truth.
Yes.
Do you hate money?
No, I don't hate money.
You wanted to get rid of the money. You tell me, before you get a credit in your account,
Yes.
have you already made up your mind as to where that money is going to go?
No.
Or does it lie in your account
Yeah.
unutilized for a long time?
Yeah, it's there for long time.
Huh?
It's there for long time.
If it is there for a long time,
Yes.
then you have money.
Yeah, I have
What if,
money. Part of
then
it I
you
gave to
then if it is
somebody.
there for a long time, then you have money.
Yes, yes, I have money, but part of it is given to somebody. They have to return it back. That is not happening.
You see, you have to look at case by case.
Okay.
Maybe in some lifetime, you took money and never returned to him.
Okay.
Maybe there are some oaths and vows you have with that guy. So you have to look at it case by case
Yes.
and ask questions. What is this? What can I do with this?
Yes.
Yes, how can I change it?
Yes.
Simple questions.
Yeah, I'll be always.
See, we don't have to get into all those fancy clearings and all that.
Yes.
Ask simple questions, get the awareness, and get to work. For money, you got to work. Well, it's a very deep-rooted issue. As I was saying, again, coming back, you have to seduce money. So how do you do that? When you are seducing a lover, what do? You are interesting,
We always think
isn't
about
it?
it. Yeah.
You have that magnetic quality
Yes.
to engage,
Yes.
isn't it?
Yes.
So what energy, space, and consciousness can you and your body be that will allow you to be irrational, undefinable, unfathomable, magical, mercurial, out of form, structure, and significance, money magnet that you truly be. And everything that doesn't allow the times of zillion will please destroy and create it all.
Yes.
Right and wrong, good and bad, pocket forward, all nine shorts, boys and beyonds. So you have to be that energy. Are you willing to have sex with everybody?
It's deceiving.
Are you? Truth.
Yes. Yes.
There is a difference between willing and doing. If you are unwilling, then you are refusing receiving from that person. Sex and no sex are the lower harmonics of receiving. If you are unwilling, means you have a judgment. And when you have a judgment, you are unwilling to receive. Therefore, all such people with whom you are unwilling, you will not receive. So again, back to basic simple questions. What am I misidentifying and misapplying?
Yes.
And refusing receiving.
Yes.
Whatever it is, ask this simple question. Where am I refusing receiving? Is this something I'm misapplying and misidentifying as A while it is something else?
Yes.
Are you avoiding to choose? You have actually spent lifetime over lifetime avoiding to choose. Because of comfort, familiarity. Choice is everything. So again, whatever is your present status, present situation, ask, what choices have I made to be here? And what can I choose different to change it?
Yes.
So what else?
Yeah. Nice. Thank you for this wonderful call.
Beg your
Any
pardon?
questions? Thank you for this wonderful call.
What?
Any other questions?
What is the time now? Oh my God, it's almost 9.
Nice. Yes.
Okay, before we
Yeah.
finish, let me do a small exercise for you. Okay? And you can do this exercise on a daily basis. Okay? Now, close your eyes. Imagine an energetic ball in front of you, right 1 foot away from your forehead. And put all that you desire in your life in that ball. All that you desire. All the money, all the wealth, all the experiences that you would like to have in your life. Put it in that. And pull energy now from the universe, from all the elements, from all the molecules in the universe who can contribute to bring all this to fruition. Keep on pulling all the energy from all the elements from all over the universe. And now send the trickles of this energy back to the universe, to all the molecules that can contribute, whether you know them or you don't know them, whether they know you or don't know you, but they can contribute for you to have this life, this experience, this financial reality. And now bring that ball over your head and just let it merge with you, as if a liquid is poured from the top and merges with your molecules. You are now that energy, that energetic ball, where the universe is contributing to what you want your life to be. And you are connected to anybody and everybody who can contribute to bring this to fruition. Whenever comfortable, open your eyes. This is an exercise you can do every day, because then you are being that energy. You are willing to receive that energy. Any questions?
No questions.
Pardon?
No questions.
Nishita?
You answered most of them.
Okay. If there anything remaining, please go ahead.
Can't really think of anything.
All right.
Yeah.
Thank you.
Okay. Thank
Thank
you
you so
very
much.
much.
Thank you for this wonderful call.
Thank you.
Thank you. Bye.
Will you be sharing our contact as well?
Yeah.
Yes.
Okay.
Vijay, can you
Yeah.
please my email ID as well as my phone number?
Yes, I'll add it.
Is it?
I'll share.
Is it in the chat?
No, it's not here.
It is not there. I'll share.
Huh? If you can share, Nishita, I will just put my phone number in the chat.
Yeah.
You can send me a WhatsApp hi and then we can connect. Okay. 9820387501. Okay. Yours is 9820425075.
Yeah. Got it.
Thank you.
98204 Okay.
Yeah. Thank you.
Any other question?
No.
And right now, I think a lot of stuff is happening.
All right. Okay. All the best. Good
Thank
night.
you.